The year 2027 marks a hard deadline for the traditional office environment, a point where professional workflows become governed by silent background networks. Currently, most employees operate with a sense of security. They view artificial intelligence as a cooperative tool, something that requires their guidance to be useful. We have grown used to the routine of opening a chatbot to summarize a transcript or help organize a schedule. We employ basic writing assistants to polish our reports, assuming these tools exist merely to make our existing jobs faster. But the industry is moving past these simple interfaces. The current shift is towards fully independent autonomous agents, software capable of managing complex, multi-step projects without a person in the loop. If we continue to see AI strictly as an assistant, we miss the reality of the transition. We are looking for a helper, while the system is building a replacement. To understand why this change is so rapid, we have to look at the actual function of a professional in a corporate hierarchy. For decades, humans have acted as middleware. The middle layer has one job: translating high-level business logic into execution. The human middleware turns a manager's goal into data the system can process. Job security depends on this being difficult. If technology removes the need for a human translator, the middle layer evaporates. This is the role of the new autonomous multi-agent architecture. It isn't a tool for the middleware, it is a replacement for it. These networks establish direct channels with enterprise mainframes, moving logic to execution without a human interface. Data flows through the system, excluding human interference by design. Instead of single prompts, the system triggers complex, multi-step independent workflows, handling every project stage simultaneously. We see this framework today in autonomous systems like Devin. These agents can navigate and manage full-scale software engineering repositories, writing and debugging code without a developer's oversight. In the financial sector, these networks are now capable of conducting end-to-end audits, checking records against mainframes with total autonomy. The operational advantage is clear. The system executes business objectives natively, removing the friction and errors inherent in human translation. This transition is already visible in the physical world, where corporate data centers are undergoing a massive, quiet retooling. Unlike previous automation cycles that required decades of physical hardware changes, this shift is happening at the speed of digital optimization. Back-end systems are being completely rebuilt, infrastructure constructed by autonomous agents, exclusively for other autonomous agents, leaving no entry point for humans. Because this work happens at the architecture level, most employees will remain unaware of the change until their specific department is no longer connected to the system. Consider the incentive for a single corporate manager in this new environment. Instead of managing a staff of 20, they can deploy an entire network of digital teams that work around the clock. These digital teams absorb everything from high-level legal document processing to complex asset tracking. This creates a new economic reality, scaling an enterprise at zero marginal cost. Compare that to the financial drain of human employment, the time spent on recruitment, the cost of benefits, and the inherent friction of human coordination. From a business perspective, the choice is simple. No organization will opt for the expensive friction of human labor when they can have instant, cost-free execution. This brings us back to the 2027 timeline. We are approaching a post-human enterprise.
Corporate strategy is moving past the question of how AI can help employees. The new focus is determining which departments can be emptied entirely. By 2027, autonomous agents will command the corporate infrastructure, leaving the human middleman with no role to play in the system.